Let's first understand what is StampedLock. StampedLock is a Java lock that supports optimistic reads, allowing lock-free reads with validation plus traditional read and write locks for safety. So, what is optimistic reading? It means read freely now. Check later if it's still valid. Optimistic reading reads data without locking and checks later if it changed. If it changed, the operation retries. Let's understand StampedLock by example. We have a shared variable that is read frequently and written rarely. We want reads to be very fast, but writes must remain safe. We store the shared value in an integer, and we protect it using a stamped lock. In increment method, where write operation is performed, if thread wants to modify the value, it acquires a write lock which is exclusive, so no other thread can read or write at the same time. After updating the value, the write lock is released using the stamp. In get method for reading, we first try an optimistic read. This does not acquire a real lock and does not block any writers. We immediately read the value into a local variable. At this point, the read may or may not be consistent. Next, we validate the stamp to check whether a writer modified the data while we were reading. If validation succeeds, it means no write occurred, and we can safely return the value. This is the fast path and happens most of the time. If validation fails, it means a write occurred during the read, so we fall back to acquire a proper read lock. Under the read lock, we reread the value to guarantee consistency. After that, we release the lock and return the safely read value.